Welcome everybody. In this video I just want to show you how to use the Lightroom and the sliders that are important. I'm not going to be teaching you everything about Lightroom. I just want to show you the slides that are important so that you just know how to touch up your design afterwards. So welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button. Without further ado, let's get right into it. Okay, so you come to Lightroom and we have Lightroom here. Just click connect and we're just going to pick this example. Okay, import the image that you want to use. I'm just going to use this image. Let's just get right into it. So we're just going to come to this part where they say light, because that's the most important part. So just click connect. Okay, I like editing from bottom to the top, so I come to the bottom slide and start with black. Okay, the black only affects the black part of the image. Okay, it almost works like the shadow where they affect the mid-tone of the image. So we have the black here affecting the blacks, then this one affecting the mid-tone. Okay, if I increase the black, for instance, you're going to notice that the image is going to get, okay, this is actually a reduction. First you increase the black, you're going to see that the image is going to get darker. Okay, I know like this is supposed to be decreased, but it's actually decrease of it, because you can see the figure here. I don't know, let me just try be dragging it. Let me show you something. Okay, just look at the top here, the number here. Okay, so it's actually decreasing, while like this is actually increasing. Okay, but what it means, you are introducing more black. Okay, so you're actually increasing the black, that's what I mean. So let's increase the black and the white. The white is introducing more white. Any white that is in the image is just going to crank it up. Okay, so this is how you edit that one. So either reduce it or you increase it. So the shadows, like I said, is the mid-tone where you can just drop it. Look at the darker part of the face, I mean this part where the shadow is casted. You can actually just reduce it. Okay, you can say I don't want more shadows, you can just cast it down. Okay, then the highlight is actually the lighter part of the face. Okay, this part that light is actually coming on, so you can say I want it to be that much or I want it to be reduced. Okay, so you can actually control light source. So we have the contrast. Contrast is just going to take the darker part of the image and increase it, and take the lighter part of the image and decrease it at the same time. So it's going to like widen the distance, the difference between these two variables. So if I should increase the contrast now, it's going to take all the blacks and crank them up. It's going to take all the whites and crank them down. So it's like doing opposite work at the same time. But once you take it down, it's going to bring the two variables the same, so that they don't have much difference. Remember, contrast is the difference between the elements of your design. So if you increase the contrast, it's going to make more differences, making the black black, making white white. But if you take it down, it's going to reduce those differences. Okay, so you can see the image is coming flat, but when you increase the contrast, it becomes more dynamic. Okay, then the next part, the exposure, is just the overall brightness of the image. So you can just either it takes everything out, you can see this, or it makes everything really bright. Okay, so with this now you can make cinematic looks and all of that. Okay, I don't really want to touch that. Then we have this part which is color. I wish that actually the two things I want to teach: vibrance and saturation. Okay, saturation is just going to increase all the colors. You're going to take look at the general image, and any color that is there, just going to increase the strongness, the how saturated that color is. So if I should take saturation up now, any color, no matter how, if that color is already okay, it's still going to turn it up. Now you can see that my face is red, everywhere is red. Okay, so saturation is actually not a good variable to edit in Lightroom, but variance on the other hand is actually the best. Variance looks at your image and looks at color that are not really popping. Okay, and it kind of just look at those very colors and just crank those color up. So it's like a selective version of saturation. So if I should take vibrance up now, it's going to look into the image and only select those ones that are not doing well. Okay, now you see it. Okay, now look at the blue shades, it's becoming more blue. So this is what I mainly use in making that my design pops this vibrance. Okay, while we have the tint and the temperature, you can actually make your design warm, okay, by introducing more red or orange to your design, or you can actually take it down by making it look more of blue. So this is where you actually choose between, I think so in this video, in this course I'm going to be showing you a video of warm and cool color. Okay, this is where you can actually generally make your design that warm or make it cool. Okay, this one looks like morning and this one looks like afternoon. Okay, sorry for that noise. So I think that's pretty much it. So always remember vibrance, and now we be the end for it. So thank you so much for watching. So that brings us to the end of the video. If you find it helpful, please hit the like button. If this is your first time, please hit the subscribe button. And today is day 20 of me teaching what I know as a graphic designer. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in this video. Bye.